everyone, welcome to Chat Genie, where we help and empower business owners just like you to sell inside the world's biggest apps. So as always, we want to make your lives easier, most especially when it comes to managing your online business, which is why we try to automate and integrate a lot of features in our Chat Genie dashboard. And we're super excited to share with you one of our newest features, which is the batch product upload. So this allows you to upload a lot of products in just a few clicks. So without further ado, let's get into it. As always, we start with our Chat Genie dashboard. So let me just log in real quick. Log in. Sign in with Facebook. And continue. So let's use this mini app, CG Panaderia. There. So here in our Chat Genie dashboard, just go here in our categories and product section and click products. So this is where you can do all of your product configurations and of course the product batch upload. So to do that, you just need to have the template of the Excel sheet where you'll be typing in all of the details of the products you want to upload. So to get the Excel sheet, you can either export, so it will be sent to your email, so you now have the template via email, or you can also use the Excel sheet template that we have, which I'll be linking down below in the description box. So I already have the template open here, so I got this from my email. I just converted it to an online sheet. There, so these are the details that we have right now. So for example, we want to add more products. We just have to fill out the columns accordingly. So for the product ID, this is automatically generated from our dashboard. Published, it's either true or false. It's essentially if we want the product to be visible already or to be published. Product type, it can either be a physical product or a digital product if you do offer that. Product name and product description, pretty straightforward. This is just your product. Stock quantity, if you do have limited stocks, you can put that here. Product categories, this one will be based on the product categories that you have in your dashboard. Here, categories. There, so for me, I have lobes. And next, base price. This is the lowest price of the variant that you offer if you do have variants. So length, width, height, and weight. This one just so we can give our customers an idea how the product looks like and whatnot. And of course, this will also help if ever you do have Lalamove integration or integrated in your mini app. So at least the delivery fee will automatically be computed through this one. Next, option name. This one is the name if you do have different variants. So for example, if you do have different color, different sizes. Option ID, again, this is generated from the dashboard. Option value. So for example, you typed in here colors. What are the different colors here? So for example, we have gray, blue, white, etc. Same goes with the option name if it's size. So you just have to indicate that here, separating each size with a comma without a space or spaces in between. If we do have limited stocks for each variant or for each option value, we can put that here. And option value publishes if we wanna make the variant public already, or if we want to publish that product already, we just have to type in here true. And variant types, if our variants are physical or digital, again, we should be very worried that we don't have to type in any space or spaces in between. And then last, the variant prices. All right, so now that we know what each column stands for or what information is needed per column, we can now head on to adding the different products that we want to add. So for example, for me, I want to add a new product, croissants, let's say. So for published, let's put true here, physical croissants. Let's just put that here also for the description. And then since I don't have any product categories yet. Let's put loaves for now, but I can always add another category. So loaves, base price, let's say 100. We can skip this part, but if ever you do have to put, you can just type in the number. So for example, 1. Option name, for example, I have different sizes for this. So we can put size here. And then option values, for example, 1 piece, 6 pieces, 24 pieces. There. Oops, sorry. Let's not forget to remove the spaces in between the commas. There. So stock, we can put here 10, 10, 10. So we just have to be careful in following the order we put here. There. So for the value publishes, I want to publish everything, so we can put here true, true, true. And everything, these are all physical, so we can put that physical, physical, physical. Variant prices. So for example, the base price that I set was at 100, and for example, the 6 pieces, this is priced at, let's say, 300. So for the variant prices, we can put here 200 since our base is 100. So it will automatically compute once uploaded, and it will show 300 for this variant, for the 6-piece variant. So let's also put the 100 since that's the price of the 1-piece croissant. And for the 24 pieces, let's say it's priced at 600, so we have to put here 500. There. So essentially, that's it. So for example, we were already able to type in our other products. Once we have that set, we can now download this file or save it if you are using an offline file. So let's download this as a CSV file. So we have that here, and we can now import that here. So to do that, just simply click import and choose this list. There. So we now added 3 products successfully, and let's just refresh. So there, the new product that we just added is here, croissant. Let's check if all the details that we put are correct. So price is at 100 for the 1 piece, and the category, it's loaves. All right, physical product. And now that this is uploaded, we can now just upload the product image for this one. So we can do that by by clicking the edit button and then add image. So let's use this one, and there you have it. If you do need to also change any detail, if you had typos earlier and when you typed in all of the details in your sheet, feel free to do so, but that's essentially it. So hope this makes uploading products much easier for you, most especially if you do have a large product catalog. So this is a big help, definitely. And I'll also link down below a helpful blog you can read on how to make your products stand out on social media. Thanks everyone, and until the next video.